I'm still here, and the harvest moon, it is full. Lots of people were predicting maybe I'd, go into labor because of it. I set out my clothes thinking this is either the hospital outfit or my work outfit. It is currently 70 degrees here, and that harvest moon is just gorgeous across the state if you can see it, because there are more clouds in some areas than others. Let's take a look and show you what's happening out there. It's actually become a little bit iffy where there's this area of moisture that could get drawn up out of the south. It is expected to get drawn up. We just don't know exactly how far north, so we'll keep an eye on that, of course, and I'll bring your 8-day forecast to show you exactly what could potentially happen with that in just a little bit. But now it's time to head back to the desk. Hello and welcome back to Good Morning Hawaii Weekends on KITV4 Island News. I'm just checking out the gorgeous full moon. If you're up and watching, open the windows, take a look outside. There's cotton candy skies, and right there in the middle, that full moon. It's called the harvest moon in the northern hemisphere. It's very bright, and farmers can work late into the night, so that's a part of why it's called the harvest moon. Let's take a look at some images from a late Monday. We're watching that area of moisture. It could stay to the south of the state, or it could reach us and bring us enhanced showers. So we'll keep an eye on that, of course. Now it's time to head over to the desk. I sure do. Thank you, Malika and Cynthia. Yes, well, I'm talking about dust devils and dust storms here in the Central Valley. It's been so dry as well that we've been seeing those pretty regularly when we have light and variable winds. Yesterday was kind of a crazy day with the localized flooding that happened over in the Kihei area of the island. We had a lot of moisture in our area. That moisture is expected to move out, and as it moves out, that instability and that moisture, that we're going to see better conditions, or drier conditions, I should say. So here's what you need to know. Could see a surge in moisture Tuesday-ish. We will keep an eye on that and, of course, bring you the latest. Now let's head back over to the desk. Aloha and welcome back to Good Morning Hawaii Weekends on KITV4 Island News. I'm meteorologist Malika D coming to you live from upcountry Maui. It is currently 63 degrees here, blue skies. I see some puffy cumulus clouds in the distance. Today we don't expect what we saw yesterday over in the Kihei area, although there's still some instability, so there's potential for thunderstorms this afternoon for the island of Kauai, so keep that in mind. But let's get you your surf forecast. So here's our... You're so sweet. Thank you, Cynthia. Good morning, Maleko. It's beautiful here on the island of Maui. I know yesterday was a little dicey, especially for the Kihei side of the island, but today looking a little bit better as that instability moves out and away from us. Let's take a look at the big picture, show you. So we're going to keep watching. We'll see how this evolves, and if the rainfall is expected to reach us, we will let you know. Now it's time to head back to Cynthia Maleko. Hello and welcome back to Good Morning Hawaii Weekends on KITV4 Island News. I'm meteorologist Malika D coming to you from upcountry Maui. We've got blue skies, lots of sunshine, the birds are chirping, and it is currently 64.8 degrees, so we're warming up quite nicely, especially in this area. I don't know if you got the chance to check out the moon last night, but it is stunning. Our full moon is called a harvest moon. This tracking an area of moisture that's expected to get drawn up north. Models still not in agreement. It's a little bit iffy with the forecast, so we're going to keep an eye on it, and of course, we will let you know how that ends up panning out. Now it's time to head to the desk. Aloha and welcome back to Good Morning Hawaii Weekends on KITV4 Island News. I'm meteorologist Malika D coming to you from the Pukalani Kula area. It is dry here. There are light winds, and it's currently 65.5 degrees. Let's get you to what you need to know when it comes to our weather. So today we've got a hybrid weather pattern. That means for our windward and Mauka areas, we'll get some morning showers and lots of sunshine in the afternoon. For our leeward areas, afternoon clouds and showers, lots of sun in the morning, and it could get hot and humid, especially in the afternoon. We also had record rainfall in Kahului yesterday. We only have a few data collection sites that actually record this type of data and give us our records. So I'm here. Still here, still going, 37 weeks, although I feel weird. I don't know. I feel like it's coming, but we'll see. Here's your surf forecast real quick as you're heading out the door. Today we have a hybrid weather pattern, so we've got some showers for windward and Malika areas in the morning and the afternoon. Leeward spots could get some clouds, but surf-wise, we've got a south swell moving in. Today we're going to call it 2 to 4 to start, growing to about 3 to 5 by the afternoon. Tomorrow even bigger, and in fact late tomorrow we should be under a high surf advisory if everything goes according to plan. North shores are at 1 to 3, west shores at 1 to 3, east shores at
To check in and see if our meteorologist Malika Dudley is still with child. It looks like not yet, huh, Malika?
Not yet. She's still inside. Although I'm terrified about the adventure that we're about to go on very soon. Here on Maui, it's a little cloudy. I do see some pretty pinks behind me, and it is currently 62.6 degrees, a little warmer than it was at this time yesterday. Let's take a look at the big picture, and I'll get you your weather. So we have the pattern not shifting just yet. I'll have details on when that will happen in a little bit. Now it's time to head back to the desk. Aloha and welcome back to Good Morning Hawaii Weekends on KITV4 Island News. I'm meteorologist Malika Dudley, coming to you from, of course, upcountry Maui, where it is very pretty when you look up into the sky. I see pinks and purples and blues. We have high clouds streaming overhead in this area. Let's take a look at a couple of images. We are still tracking that disturbance that could suck up some moisture from the south up over the islands. It looks like most of it should stay to the south of the islands, but we could see an enhancement of showers for us late Monday through about the Wednesday time frame, just so you know. Now let's head back over to the desk. Hi there, good morning, Cynthia and Maleko. Good morning, everyone. Well, right now in the upcountry area, it is 63 degrees. Taking a look at the sky, I do see a combo of white clouds and some gray clouds. And today we expect the weather to be very similar to what we saw yesterday. So let's take a look at what you need to know and late Monday into about Wednesday, there's a potential for showers to be enhanced. So a few more showers than normal for windward and Malika areas, mainly from the Big Island, potentially up through Maui County and maybe reaching Oahu, but most of the moisture should stay to the south of the islands. And we'll keep an eye on it, of course, and bring you the latest. Now over to Maleko. Aloha and welcome back to Good Morning Hawaii Weekends on KITV4 Island News. I'm meteorologist Malika Dudley, coming to you from the Pukalani area of Maui. It is dry for now, and winds are very light. We've got blue skies. I do see a combo of high and low clouds here, and this is pretty much the story for all areas across the state for today, for yet another day. Right now it's almost 64 degrees here. Let's take a look first, and we could get some enhanced showers as well. We'll go a little more into detail on that in our next newscast at the top of the 7 on KIKU. But now it's time to head over to the desk.